In this problem, we're going to find the explicit formula, the recursive formula, and then the 35th term. We'll begin the problem by finding the common difference. It's arithmetic, so there is a common difference between two terms. And remember, we find that by taking the difference between any two consecutive terms in the sequence. So to find the common difference, I'm going to take -5 and subtract 3 from it, which will give us -8, so that we have a common difference of -8. The next thing we'll also need is the first term, which is 3 in this case. We're going to find the recursive formula first. So the recursive formula has a general form of a sub n is equal to an minus 1 plus d, and we would need the first term. So for this particular one, we'll have a sub n is equal to an minus 1 minus 8, because our common difference is -8, and then a sub 1 is 3. So that is our recursive formula. The next thing we're going to do is find the explicit formula. To find the explicit formula, we need our common difference of -8, and we need a sub 1 as well, which is 3. Now, to find the explicit formula is general form is a sub n is equal to a1 plus d times n minus 1. We'll substitute in 3 for a1, -8 for d, and then have n minus 1. We need to distribute the -8 so that we get 3 minus 8n plus, because we have a negative times a negative, 8 is all equal to a sub n. Here we'll combine like terms so that we end up with a sub n is equal to 11 minus 8n. That is our explicit form of this equation. Explicit form of this sequence. Now the only other thing we're going to do is find the 35th term. And to find the 35th term, what I'm going to do is substitute in 35 into our explicit formula. So we have a sub 35 is equal to 11 minus 8 times 35. So in this particular problem, what we need to do is multiply -8 times 35, which gives us -208, and then combine that with 11. So our 35th term is -269. So a35 is equal to -269. Okay, and so now we have found the recursive formula, which we found earlier, the explicit, and then here we have the 35th term. And these are our formulas that we came up with again, and then the 35th term.